Hello friends, good morning to all of you. As you know, today is a Teachers' Day. It is celebrated on 5th September. And why it is celebrated? Because Teachers' Day is declared on the basis of Dr. Radhakrishnan World Day, because he was a great scholar, wise man and good teacher. He became our first vice president and he became second president of India. After retirement of president post, he started teaching in colleges also, because he was a great teacher and wise man. That's why his birthday is declared as a Teacher's Day and his birthday is celebrated as a Teacher's Day. All children participate to celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm and devotion. It is celebrated all over the India, in school and colleges and in small places of education. All celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. But meaning of Teachers' Day is that teachers should teach their children and students in a proper way and give them knowledge, because they are the future of the country. And students also give honor and respect to their teacher. Nowadays, Teachers' Day meaning is changed. In modern way, teachers thinks about gifts and students purchase gift and give them gift. This is not a real way of celebrating the Teachers' Day. Students should respect and honor to their teachers, and they should learn what teacher is teaching. If teacher is scolding and beating them, they no need to worry about it, because your parents and teachers teach you, scold you and beat you if you are not following the instruction, you are not studying in a proper way. And rest of the people would not worry about this kind of thing. Teachers teach students in school and colleges and coaching and institute, and the teacher who is having command over subject. But nowadays some started part-time job is a teachers. They are not proper teachers, so they would not give the knowledge about the subject. So students should search the real teacher who is having command over the subject. He would teach in a proper way. He and she would teach in a proper way. If you are not searching a good teacher in your life, so you would not study in a proper way, you would not learn the things. And be learner compared to be teacher. So the person who is teacher, he should learn the things. If anybody is having a more knowledge about, compared to him, so he should learn from him, and he should give respect to him and her. That's why he would learn such kind of things in the life. And you know that mother is also a first teacher, because children learn how to talk, how to walk, how to read, and how to do small things at home before reaching the school. That's why his mother is also a teacher, and father is also a teacher, because father teaches how to handle the situation, how to face the life outside. Such kind of things are not taught in the school, which are taught by the mother and father at home. And nowadays, teacher's role is very important in one's life, because if you are not having any teacher, then you would not learn good things. And you know, doctor, collector, army officer, even prime ministers also having teacher, and they teach us, they teach them. So they became the doctor, collector and whosoever. So teacher's role is very important in the society, and teacher is a most respectable person in the society. Whenever you meet the real teachers, definitely he and she is given honor and respect everywhere. That's why people need teacher in their life. And nowadays in school and colleges, some part-time teachers are there. They are not a good teacher. They are studying. They are in a college and they have completed the college. So if they are not doing anything, they started teaching. They are not a real teacher. Whenever they will be perfect and they are the real teacher, they are having their profession is teacher, they will teach the children in their proper way. In coaching institute, if they are making money only, they are not teaching the children in a proper way. They are having 50 children, 60 children in one batch, and they don't know who is learning, who is not learning. they are doing business. They are not teaching in a proper way. Some teachers started teaching by mic and different way, in a modern way. They are not a real way of teacher, because their teaching is profession and their teaching is a business. So one should know the real teacher in their life to reach and go ahead in their life. If you are having a good teacher, definitely you will learn good things in a school and colleges and coaching and wherever. And at home, you can also learn from your elders who is having knowledge about your subject. And if you are a younger, you can ask elders. And if you are elder, you can teach your youngers at your home, younger brothers and surrounding you. Those who are not having money and they can't pay the fee of teacher in the coaching, they don't need to go the coaching. They can study at home. And school and colleges, they are having perfect teacher. They will teach them in a proper way. They can revise at home and they can learn such kind of things. तो आज टीचर्स डे के बारे में स्पीच देने का मतलब है आप टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट करें, सम्मान करें और टीचर के प्रति अपना कर्तव्य रखें, और टीचर को भी अपनी ड्यूटी स्टूडेंट के प्रति होना चाहिए। अगर आप वीडियो पे नए हैं तो प्लीज इसे सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक और शेयर करें। दैट्स ऑल।